Mr. President Donald J. Trump, I speak to you today as a proud American, a U.S. Army and Marine Corps veteran, and a proud MAGA supporter. I love this country, sir, with all my heart. But today, I'm asking you from the bottom of my soul, please to stop the Haitian migrant deportation. Because Haitian migrants, they have nowhere to go. Ask me why. 90% of Haiti now is controlled by gangs, violent groups that your administration labeled terrorists. These migrants, they are not fleeing for fun. They are fleeing not just for their lives, they are victims of wars that they did not start. Sir, these Haitian migrants are not the hardened criminals that your administration vowed to deport. These Haitian migrants are teachers, nurses, caregivers, builders, and backbone of any decent society. Sir, these Haitian migrants, they are not the drug dealers that your administration vowed to deport. They are not the killers that your administrations vowed to deport. They are just displaced human beings, driven out by violence, corruption, and fear. History does not lie. There was a time when Haiti was the richest colony in the world, La Perle des Antilles. We were the first to end slavery. We defeated France, Spain, and Britain alone. Our blood helped win freedom for millions. Today, our people clean hospitals, pack Amazon boxes, wash dishes in Miami, and work night shift in silence. Not because they are lazy, but because their homeland was stolen. Mr. President, these are not illegals. They are your allies, your soldiers like me. They love America. They just want to live a better life like everyone else. This is why, on behalf of all the Haitian migrants community, I'm asking you, sir, these three things, three simple things. Please renew temporary protected status for Haitians. Stop the deportation to a country in total collapse. And third, I respectfully ask you to support the Haitian-led efforts to claim our nations. We don't need US, French, and Kenyan soldiers. We are descendants of Jean-Jacques Dessalines and Capoalamo. Give us the training, give us the gun, the support, and I promise you, we will free our country ourselves. I myself ready to die, so Haiti may live. Because Haitians are not poor. We are rich in culture, spirit, and resilience, sir. Mr. President, this is our SOS. Please stop the deportation. Please renew TPS. Please give Haiti a chance. Haiti Pap Perry, Haiti will not perish. If you believe in strong borders and compassion, this is your moment. Let's go viral for justice.